Now, from isomerism, we said is the occurrence of two or more compounds having the same formula, but they have different structure. Now, I am taking butane, which is a member of alkane, as a good example. So butane is C4H10. Okay? So let's go now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Complete. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Complete. Now, this is called butane. This is called butane. Now, look at this again. Look at this again. Okay, sorry. Now we are counting the number of hydrogen now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Equivalent to this. Then we are counting the number of C now, carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can see that their formula is the same. But you can see that the structure is not the same because I have the longer chain here to be what? 4. The longer chain of carbon to be 4. But here I have the longer chain of carbon to be what? 3. So if this one is butane, this one can never be ordinary butane. This one can be ordinary butane. So let's see. How do we name this one if this one is butane? First, we are going to count the number of carbon along the long chain. So 1, 2, 3. So when N is 3, what is called? It is called propane. So meaning the parent name of this structure I am having on the board is what? Propane. I want to name this thing. So you have to count the number of carbon. 1, 2, 3. How many carbon along the long chain? So I have 3. So and when N is 3, so when you have C3, it means N is 3. And the name of that alkane member or family is called what? Propane. So which means the parent name of this thing is what? Propane. Now, you jot that one down. But there are many things to consider while we are labeling. So the parent name is propane. Now, at the second carbon, I have an attachment. This is called an attachment. And it is a member of, so that is methyl. This is an attachment, CH3. That is a methyl. So I have this an attachment called methyl. If you draw methyl, this is what you are going to have. Methyl is under alkyl. Alkyl. That is methyl. Sorry, methyl is under alkyl. So this is what you are going to have for because I have CN H2M minus 1. So that's the formula for alkyl. I did not discuss alkyl, but it was because I know I'm still going to discuss it under here. That's why I did not discuss. So if you follow this formula now, so the first one will be methyl. So that is when C is 1. Abi? Then I'll be having H2 into bracket 1, then minus 1. Is it minus or plus 1? So let's see. I think it's plus 1. Sorry, plus 1. Plus 1. So what we have now is C. 2 times 1 is 2. Then plus 1 is what? 3. So this is methyl. This is methyl under alkyl. So the attachment on the board is called methyl, C and 3H. And that attachment occurs on the second carbon. Please be careful. When you are looking for the attachment, you are going to count from the side that will give the lowest carbon. If you have more carbon by counting from the right, meaning you are counting from the left, there is no law that says count from the left or count from the right. You are counting from the side that will give you the lowest carbon. Now here, if you count from the right, I am still coming back to here as what? Second. If you count from the left, I am still coming back to this one as what? Second. So no law said count from the right or left. That is where students make errors. So the law said count from the side that will give you the lowest carbon. Now, the attachment occur at the second what? Carbon. So, and the parent name is what? Propane. And what is the name of that attachment? The name of the attachment is what? Methyl. So this is the name of the attachment, methyl. And that attachment comes on the second carbon. Now, if you want to name this thing now, the name of the attachment is methyl. The position of the attachment, second carbon, you now say 2-methyl propane. So this is 2-methyl propane. So we can see that both butane and 2-methyl propane have the same formula, but they have different what? Structure. That is what we call what? Isomerism. Two compound, this is one compound butane, this is another compound 2-methyl propane, having the same formula, but having different what? Structure. So we continue from the next class.